more left?
Like whatever's on your side.
Oh, okay.
And then one over here, like keeping this side up, so it doesn't just come crashing down.
All right, guess I'll put the phone down. Ooh, new pan, nice and new.
Stable connection.
Oh. All right, well, Transpans is back on. She's filled up. We're gonna start her.
Are you getting signs of life in there?
No, absolutely nothing.
Okay.
Wahaha, we have power. And she's off to the races. And yes, I'm gonna replace all of this. That was brittle as heck. Just like, look at all this. Oh man. If anyone knows anywhere to get some dashes. If not, shag rug is going on. Yeah, so we're good. It is not leaking. It's almost up to operating temperature. Woo!
Got it perfectly running and driving
Daily.
Cavalier, man.
GM family though. 04 Cavalier. Watch out. 2010 SS. And then what is it? 97 Honda?
95.
95 Honda. Yeah.
Yeah. All that mileage, yo. 360.
360. And this got 40.
Yeah, we definitely need seats for this car.
All right. On a test drive.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Completely different than driving my Camaro.
It drives great.
Yeah. Little kitty.
Oh, 2 kids.
Oh, yeah, it's automatic. Ha! I don't gotta clutch it.
No clutch to push in. Good hair.
Yeah.
I'm having a hard time adjusting these vents in the middle though.
Yeah?
See.
Ah, dude. I can't believe we got this thing running in like under 2 hours.
Under 2 hours and under a month.
Yeah, dude. Look at this. $500. I'd say it's a pretty good buy.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah.